If you are a YouTuber and you create original videos, but one day when you woke up and you saw this email. As of today, your channel is not eligible to monetize and you will not have access to monetization tools and features because of reused content. So you might be thinking, what went wrong and how can I restore my monetization? So well, this video is for you, as I have done and I have successfully remonetized my channel. Let me just show you. This email was received by youtube.com on December 15 for my channel that your channel is no longer monetized because of reused content. And then I submitted an appeal on December 26, and you see that they sent an email on December 27 and they said, we are happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful and your channel can now monetize again. So if you stick to the very end of the video, I will show you all the steps that I have followed, and these are the steps are very important. You need to follow them in a chronological order to get this appeal successful. And I'm going to show and explain each of these points in a step-by-step way. But before, I would like to say that if this process will only work if you create original content. If you copy someone else's content and directly upload on your channel without editing or adding significant value, then this video is not for you. But if you think that you create original content or you take someone else's content, edit it, add your voiceovers, and then this video is for you. And I'm 100% sure that if you follow this pattern, your channel will be remonetized. Why? Because this was the channel before, when I didn't know that how to create an appeal video in a proper way. And you see that they said videos referenced in your appeal are not representative of your channel. The content on this channel and the channel that is monetized again was the same. They were both in the same niches. So now I know that how to create a successful appeal video, and I'm going to show you exactly that. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, like, or anything. I just want to help you out, and that's the only goal. So now let's move on. And here the topic of the video is how to fix a reused issue on your YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to open install an OBS software. It's very easy. You just go to Google and install this OBS software, and then click on start recording from here. Once you do this, then go to your YouTube channel. This is my channel, and from here just click over here and it will show you your YouTube channel homepage. So start creating the video from here. First of all, tell them what your name is and what is your channel name, and say that I am the owner of this channel. So in my case it would be, hi YouTube, my name is Umer and I'm the owner of Fix This For Me channel. Then in the next step, you need to tell them about the background of your YouTube channel. Just mention them that you created this channel on the date when it was created, share the number of subscribers you have, highlight the duration of channels, durations your channel has been active. Like, go to here and click on this button over here and say that this is the handle of my channel. I have this number of subscribers, I have this number of videos, these are the number of views on my channel, and I joined this channel on August 12 2021. So that was the background of your YouTube channel. From the next step, you need to show them the URL of your YouTube channel. How you can do that? Just go to the customization option over here, go to the basic section and scroll down, and this is your channel URL. Just tell them that this is your YouTube channel URL, and also copy this URL, and in the while editing your video, add it as a heading on top of it, so that they know that this is the URL of your YouTube channel, and you need to mention it in the first 30 seconds of your appeal video. And after that, you need to click on the earn section on your channel, and from here go to the reuse section. This is one of the most important part of your appeal video, because in the first appeal video I did not mention that why I think that my channel aligned with YouTube partner program from this section. And after that, whenever I explain it, it always got accepted. So this is one of the most important section of this appeal video. Over here you can see that there are a few bullet points, what you can do and what can't you do if you want to be in YouTube partner program. So here you can see that if you do a funny or thoughtful review of content you did not originally create, then it is allowed on YouTube, and you can create these kind of videos and it will always be monetized. If it somehow gets demonetized, then you in the appeal video you can mention that the point one says that I can do a funny or thoughtful revision of content that I didn't originally create, and that's what exactly I do. I create a funny or thoughtful revision of the videos of other creators, so it falls under YouTube monetization policy. So you explain it the first point if it is aligned with your niche, and if it is aligned, if the second point aligns with your niche, then you can explain this and this, and you don't need to follow these. You can just read it, but in the peer video you don't need to mention that, but just mention from here. And if you create tutorial videos like I used to create, and there is nothing that you can mention from here. If your content is like you record your face and you do the voiceover on top of a screen recording, then there is no point from here, but you need to explain that there is nothing from here, but these are the original content. I create my own videos, I share my own screen, and I do my own voiceover on top of it, so there is nothing that I'm taking from someone else content. So once you do this, then you need to move on to the next section, which is show that the folder where you store all of your videos. And tell them that here are all the videos that I have edited and uploaded on my channel. Now the next section is you need to go to the content section of your YouTube channel. And as you can see that at the moment I have only 3 videos on this channel, but if you have a number of videos, just scroll down and tell them that these are the number of videos. You can see that I have only 3 and it is mentioned over here. So you can say that I have these number of videos on my channel, and as I need to create the appeal video under 5 minutes, so I cannot go through all the videos, but I will randomly pick any of the video and will show you that how I create the videos. So let's say you scroll down and you said that let's take this video as an example. Just click on this and just tell them that this is the title, this is the description of my video, and now I am going to show you that how I come up with the ideas for the video. Then you can just explain it the way you come up with the ideas of the video, and then tell them that I'm going to now show you that how I edit my video. Then open any of your editor where you edited your videos. Like in my case, I edit it with CapCut. So I will open CapCut and I will scroll down through all the videos that I have created, and I will say that okay, so this is the video that I have mentioned on my channel, and now I am going to show you that I have added values in this video, and this video is not reused. And as you can see that I have a voiceover at the very bottom end, I have a background image, on top of it I have a video, and as you can see that I have keyframes attached to this video. And if the keyframes or anything else in the video is not in your video, but you need to show them that you add the value, so what you can do that you, before recording the video, you can manually add the keyframes, you can add the subtitle, you can add the title, just add a few arrows so that they know that you are adding the values. And if you are adding the voiceover, that's a very big point. You can emphasize on this that I have the voiceover in the video and this is my own voice, whether it is AI voice or anything, but you can explain to them that I have added the values. So once you do this, then ask them that please, I request you to manually review my YouTube channel again, and you will find that I don't my channel falls under YouTube monetization policies, and there is nothing that I am reusing from someone else's content. So that is all that you need to explain. And let me just show you the video that I have created. So if I go to my other channel and click on content, and you see that this 4 minute and 59-second video is the appeal video of my this channel that got accepted, and I followed exactly the same strategy that I have showed you right now. So if your channel is big or you don't want to create the appeal video by yourself, then you can contact me, and with very minimum fees I can create an appeal video for you. If you want my services, then you can just comment below and I will send you my email, and then we can communicate, and I will go through your YouTube channel, and I will only charge if your appeal is successful. So I hope that this video was helpful for you.